A very pleasant morning to all of you. So, today we are going to discuss the first poem of class 8, which is When I Heard the Learned Astronomer. So, first of all, the writer of the poem. This poem is written by Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman was an American poet from the 19th century, and he was born on the Long Island and brought up in Brooklyn. He didn't receive formal education and spent a lot of time in libraries teaching himself. He worked as a teacher, printer, reporter, and editor. He was a prominent revolutionary poet in America. Apart from publishing his own work, he was also a nurse during the American Civil War. So, beginning with the poem, firstly, I'll read the poem aloud and then I'll give you a brief explanation of the poem. When I heard the learned astronomer, when the proofs, the figures were ranged in columns before me, when I was shown the charts and diagrams to add, divide, and measure them, when I sitting heard the astronomer where he lectured with much applause in the lecture room, how soon unaccountable I became tired and sick, till rising and gliding out I wandered off by myself in the mystical moist night air and from time to time looked up in perfect silence at the stars. So, in this poem, the poet wants to say that he had attended an astronomer's lecture about stars. It was a public lecture, so a bunch of people visited there. The astronomer taught people with the help of charts, figures, mathematical equations, science equations, and everything. Even the astronomer was very knowledgeful. He had very much knowledge about his own subject, and people even praised and heard his lecture with much applause. People were even clapping for him because of his explanation. Only I was the one in the room who was not clapping. Then the speaker says that very soon he became very tired and sick of the lecture, and the lecture became unbearable for him. As soon as the lecture ended, the poet rushed out of the room to the open nature. He went out, that it was night. Cool and pleasant wind was blowing all around, and then the poet saw up in the sky stars shining, and then he remembered the words of the astronomer and started admiring the stars. He could never forget the experience which he had while looking up in the perfect silence at the stars. So, in this poem, the poet he wants to tell us about the importance of experience. Like knowledge is something which can be gained in the room while someone who has knowledge about the particular subject is just giving us lecture. But experience is something which requires a lot of time, a lot of more hard work, and a lot of more observing skills. Like anyone can get knowledge by just sitting in a room, reading, learning, continuously reading and learning. But experience is something which everyone does not get. Like in science book, you must be reading about burning fire, how to survive in camp. But have you ever survived? No. But someone who has experienced that thing without any knowledge, but the people who live in the forest or survive in the forest, slowly by slowly they experience the thing and they develop their own skills. So like, who is most knowledgeful, you or the person who experienced it? Obviously the person who experienced it.